Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I will show you how you can start a discussion or ask a specific question to your students. I want to ask a question in the Belgian history course group. I simply go to that classroom and then go on to classwork. I want to create a new question. For that you have to click the create button of course and then go on to question. In this little pop-up screen you can edit your question. I'm going to ask my students what they think of Google Classroom. Okay. And I'm going to add some extra instructions to that question. For example, answer or reply in 3 short sentences. Okay. Then you can decide to which people the question is asked. By default, it selects all students in your selected class here. But you can also choose to only ask this specific question to a number of students, for example, only myself. Then in the bottom, you can select how many points this question is worth. So let me value this question for 5 points. And you can also set a due date, of course. They have to answer the question before Tuesday morning at 09 a.m. Okay. And you can link it to a specific topic. This question is not linked to essays, neither to exams, so I will just select no topic here. You can you can also specify the answer they have to give. I already gave the instructions that they need to reply in 3 short sentences, but I can also add a multiple choice selection list here. Further, you can also set up if students can reply to each other, and even that students can edit their answer after they first replied. Finally, you have the option to add something to your question. For example, a document from your hard disk drive, a document from Drive, or a YouTube video, or even a specific URL that leads to a website. And if you're done editing, then you simply click Ask. Now you can see that in classwork, the question is also listed. If you select the listed question, then you can see how many people turned it in already. And if you click View Question here, you can get an overview of all the answers you got on this question. And here you can also choose to grade the students based on their answers. So I hope this tutorial was clear to you. If not, please do not hesitate to ask us a question in the comment section below. And I hope to see you for future tutorials. Bye.